Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be working on a 10-inch bob from Love Me Hair, 4x4 closure, 150 density, and I'll show you the steps along the way of what I am going to do to it, and then let's get it installed. It's got big knots on it. I'm not going to bleach them. I'm just going to put some foundation underneath. It does have, I don't know if they're broken off hairs or lots of baby hairs, but we'll see. All right, stay with me. Inside of the wig, here's the 4x4 closure. We've got 3 combs and adjustable strap, lace on the back, and I have cut off the lace in the front. Okay, I just want to show y'all something real quick. I am trying my hardest to put these flyaways down, but just beware of that. There are so many flyaways, but we'll see if I can get it done. I've already put mousse on it and hot combed it, so we'll see if I can get it to lay down using, even Wonder Lace today. Let that dry for a minute. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and tie it down, and I have got pulled forward what I'm going to thin out and use as baby hairs. Okay, I've had this been sitting for about 25 minutes or so. Oh, also, this unit is from Beauty Forever, not Love Me Hair. Beauty Forever. Same specs, 10-inch, 4x4 closure, 150 density, Beauty Forever hair. All right, y'all. I can highly recommend this unit. It is very, very little work. I could probably bump these ends a little more. Did a little baby hairs in the front, but the quality of the hair is great. The length is perfect to the 10-inch. So I can say to you, y'all, this is worth your coin. Definitely worth your coin. Don't come for me for the baby hairs. I'm just telling y'all, it's definitely worth your coin. I'm sure you could style it better than me, but go for it. All right, y'all. Take care. Please hit subscribe for more crazy wig videos.